I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. I fit turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me why you're drinking, car.
I know there's gonna be good.
So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm at the beach with my family. They came down here to visit Florida, so I'm just hanging out with them for a little bit. And I can't really talk that long because, you know, I'm just gonna live in the moment and enjoy it, but I will vlog a couple extra videos for you guys so you guys can see how my day is. So bye. So hey guys, I just came out of the water. It's really good. To be honest, I've lived in Florida for so long and I have been to the beach before, but I've never actually like swam or going to the I never been in the water at all. I've like came to the beach to take pictures or something like that, but I've never actually been in the water. This is actually my first time because I kind of like have this, not phobia, but I like overthink things a lot. So I'm like, okay, there's gonna be a shark or there's gonna be a fish that's gonna bite me or something. But I actually went and I went pretty far in the water and it was pretty good. I was scared, but I kind of like pushed it aside and did what I had to do. You know, you gotta enjoy the beach. I'm mostly used to pools and stuff like that. I mostly swim more in pools, but to be honest, it was really good. It is salty as F, but it was really good. I'm gonna probably get some food or something soon. I'm just gonna chillax. They're gonna get food and bring it, so I'm just gonna wait on them to bring me my food while I chill out here on this nice beach. Like, it's so nice. So I think I'll talk to you guys later. I was looking here all this time when I should be looking like right here. So I'll make sure I remember that the next time I pick up the camera. I hope you guys can hear me because it's a bit windy. So yeah, I think my eyelashes are lifting off. I gotta fix that. So bye, see you in the next clip. Look at him embarrassing himself.
I don't know what he's chopstick. Let me try it.
At it.
No.
Because you're an idiot. Your palate is so small. All you know how to eat is rice and peas and chicken and curry chicken.
Real food.
You must expand the palate, my youth. Guys, we're actually back from the mall and I stopped at a I think it's a Korean, Japanese barbecue place. So I don't really want to talk to a lot because there's other people dining. I don't want to bother them, so yeah. I ordered pork belly, some beef, and some other little things. This is actually my first time going to a Korean barbecue spot, and it's good so far. I haven't tried the food yet, so let's see if it's all I only got hot pot one them. Like the hot pot? What is the hot pot though?
When they cook it from there?
No, hot pot like you would do it. Like them pre-do the stuff and you put in the noodles and put in the seasoning and put in whatever you want. I like the simple like this.
Done that before.
Yeah, I might bring on hot pot place next time. I think they have hot pot here so too, but I bring on go on a nice hot pot place. One of them they near the casino.
What casino?
Wait name again? What casino name again?
And you're talking about Hard Rock?
Yeah. The near the sun.
You don't say I have full casino, you have a cut.
walking on the main road.
Like she tell you, she said she
I
want to
gotta
go.
come, man. I walk on that side there. You don't even have to ask like a man. You have me walking the road,
Oh,
car
no.
slap me.
I have you walking in the road. You walking in the road.
And I lick me from my foot with them dirty crusty two of them.
It's a lie. Today she had to have the grader go on her foot.
I can just imagine the people might drive past and see me a film. And
Can
I'm
I see
talking
your
to them,
film,
man.
They not even know you can't.
Listen, we're walking so far. The Publix is so far from here. And he has me walking.
That's a lie. It's
Hot
lying.
girls don't walk.
You're lucky if you had. If you had, you're lucky.
Hot
Okay.
girls don't walk, man. He doesn't know that. He has me out here walking.
Oh, she ain't
Fucking walking.
Okay, you can't hold a swim now.
Boy.
You know? There's a pool there.
One eternity later.
And we're still walking. It's been like 5 minutes. It's been like 5 minutes and we're still walking. He's over there trying to catch fucking fishes before he comes and he's such a child. People, he's such a child. An ugly duckling.
That good looking face, yeah?
What good looking face?
That good looking
Where?
face, yeah?
Where?
Come on. That good looking face.
He's such
yeah?
an ugly he's such an ugly duckling.
I told you that I attend this now.
What?
I told you to attend this now.
10 to the 10.
Yes, I told you to attend this. Like you're blind. Girl call it
Please, as
threshold.
if
Threshold,
he
girl
swear
call
thinks he
level
looks
up.
good when he doesn't.
Swear.
Swear.
Like 3 months line. Okay. 20 what happened? 22 look a bit. What you do that day?
Okay, Sian.
Maximum.
Okay, Sian. What's the reach?
So basically reach here.
I'm gonna up me, my foot hurt me, my body got
Here.
pain. My slippers are them slippers are make to walk in. My
Alright.
foot
then
are
go
scrub
walk.
off. My toe scrub off from my slippers beatings.
You're not scrubbing now. Come
Yeah, right, start remember. It'll leave from my toe the buckle.
and beat your size then, mama.
It is my size, it's actually bigger than my feet. But because it's not for walking, you damn jack.
You don't finish that, woman.
Because people are here.
Yeah, that's
Anyways, I'll see you guys when
it. Later.
I'm in Publix. So I'll see you guys at that time.
Send
Bye.
it all, okay.
So we're
Check it.
finally here
After 1 minute.
after hours of walking with this ugly duckling.
Beautiful specimen.
That's this ugly duckling.
Beautiful specimen.
I can't believe I walked just to come to buy one thing. One thing.
What?
I'm not
gonna
gonna
buy-
tell them. You talk too much. Ugly duckling.
Say what she gonna buy.
Oh my gosh, I'm so tired.
Come out of the road before you get it done.
I'm so tired.
We're gonna buy ourselves some potatoes.
I'm not buying no damn potatoes.
What you is?
Damn Jack.
Donkey.
Jack. Jack.
Donkey. Come on.
Jack
now.
ass. You're a jackass.
Donkey.
Okay. You can pass that to me, please?
Why not?
Yeah.
There you go.
It's lucky. I look disgusting. You're ugly, yeah. Oh, we gotta go first. I gotta wear. Let's go to the fruit section, it says.
Fruits. You gonna get yourself a pineapple?
Whatever I want.